Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. You will need a visa if you plan to relocate to Australia for more than a few months in order to study, work, reside, or even just travel. The Australian immigration website is difficult to use, especially if you don't speak English well, and it doesn't truly explain which visa option is best for you. The type of visa you require can be determined by an immigration service, which can also assist you in organizing the relevant documents. They can also assist you in determining if you qualify for particular visas, such as a skilled migrant visa or opportunities for family reunion. The top 4 migration agencies for Australia in 2023-2024 are covered in this video. 1. Aussizz Group. The Aussizz Group can help you obtain any type of visa you may be qualified for, from a student visa to an asylum visa, so they can provide you with a wide variety of alternatives for immigration to Australia. If you fulfill the requirements for both a general skills visa and an employer-sponsored visa, they will also work with you to assist you get employment visas and determine what sort of visa you should apply for. Additionally, Aussizz Group assists you in setting up all of the necessary financial and insurance arrangements so that you may reside in Australia. Some visa types, such as student visas, need health insurance coverage in Australia, and even if it's not necessary, it's always a good idea. 2. Australian Immigration Agency. The Australian Immigration Agency, AIA, concentrates on assisting those who wish to settle permanently in Australia. From the first employment or partner applications through permanent residency and even beyond this, to full citizenship, they want to cooperate with their clients at every level of the process. All types of Australian visas, including some uncommon ones that are not handled by other organizations, including investment or retirement visas, are assisted by AIA for its clients. They will also inform you of everything you need to do to extend your visa or proceed to the following phase of your immigration to Australia. 3. No Borders Migration Agency. No Borders Migration Agency employees are aware of how difficult it may be to move to Australia if your level of English isn't excellent. In fact, many of them have gone through the process themselves. The mission of No Borders Migration Agency is to guide non-native English speakers through the many challenging criteria of Australian visa applications. If you would feel more at ease having everything explained to you in a different language, the No Borders Migration Agency can assist you with a wide range of visa categories. They are well worth a visit. They can assist you with refugee, working, business, family, student, and, of course, straightforward tourist visas. 4. True Blue Migration. Since they don't deal with student or working holiday visas, True Blue Migration concentrates on assisting clients in getting job or family reunion visas. They will assist you in assembling all the necessary paperwork and supporting proof for the visa applications in which they specialize. True Blue Migration will assist in determining the strength of your claim if you are applying for a partner visa, for example, particularly if you must demonstrate that you are in a de facto relationship. Your claim will be strengthened by things like combined bank accounts, joint insurance, and documentation of your shared living arrangements. Your immigration advisor will let you know if they believe you need more proof before you apply. You should contact an immigration service if you need to apply for a visa to Australia for any reason. The government information may be highly complicated, especially if you don't understand native English, and the Australian visa regulations are very tight and difficult. Although moving to a new country is exciting, the logistics, especially the immigration procedure, may be challenging and daunting. A refusal to enter Australia or even deportation might occur if the proper documentation is not completed or the immigration process is not followed precisely. Everyone deserving of help from the most knowledgeable and trustworthy migration partner, who can handle their visa and immigration needs, is someone who wishes to call Australia home. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.